Welcome to Herman Hits the Road. I'm Ads.
And I'm Zoe.
And this is our day 11 of our 12 days of Christmas. Would you believe?
We've nearly done it.
We're on the penultimate day. And what are we doing today? Well, we are in the bitterly cold weather of Clovelly, which is just behind us, Clovelly Harbour.
Amazing.
And it has a population of about 450 people. And it's a private village. You have to actually pay to get here. And if you want to live here, this is a really strange thing. If you want to live here, you've got to have an interview.
Well, you don't want any nasty piece
don't
of work,
want
do you?
any
Tom, Dick or Harry.
Yeah, that's the one I'm
in.
thinking. Any Tom, Dick or Harry, yeah. Any nobodies to come here and live.
So you won't get in.
No, that's right. Hey. Right, see these guys here? They're going to do some, well, these are going to jump in, right? They've got the wetsuits on, oh my God. Yeah, do it again, we weren't ready. Wow. Oh, he's doing it backwards by the looks of things. Nice one. Right, we're going to leave them to have the. We're going to leave them to enjoy the. Oh, right. We're going to leave them to enjoy their dip into the sea there, and we're going to investigate the rest of the town, the village. There's a whole bunch of sleds here that they use to take stuff up and down into the village, because the village is very steep and full of these cobblestones where the sleds just slide along them as if it's snow. Here's a few more sleds. I've noticed that a lot of the houses just have them sitting outside. It's just an obvious form of transport if you think about it. Wheels are going to be absolutely rubbish down these cobbled streets. The other form of transport what they use, which I haven't actually seen them use yet, donkeys. This is the Chapel of St. Peter. Let's take a look inside. Zoe's already in.
Very small in here.
Yeah, very small. Well, that was quick, wasn't it? Nice to see in there. I do feel very nosy walking around people's houses and stuff. Yeah, so for instance, this is the fisherman's cottage. You just walk in, look. Just walk in. I guess this house, this cottage, is a bit more like a museum rather than someone living in it. Got the Christmas decos up, and they're making these at school.
Yeah, that's right.
I've noticed that there's loads of Christmas decorations.
Yeah.
Must be really pretty in the evening at night. This has got to be the biggest sled I've seen. No, not this one. This one. Look at the size of that thing. And that's got to be Santa's sleigh because he's just there. We've got Santa struggling over there. He looks like he's hooked on a windowsill. She just asked me if we're at the end. This little building here, it looks a bit old and perched on the edge a bit, but if we go down here, we can see this is the harbour now. This is the steep part, I do believe, and it's got a whole lot colder as well. There's the harbour down there, but on the horizon I can see where we were the other day. Now in the distance, that you can't see anything on the camera, but over there somewhere is where we were the other day. Woolacombe Bay, Salt and Sands, and Motorhome Point. I almost missed that, someone using a sled to cart their stuff. It's about lunchtime and we've decided to go in the New Inn Hotel for something to eat. A very welcoming sign, don't you think? Well, we found the donkeys and they're going back from their grazing field to their stables now. Look. It's a big crowd pleaser, these donkeys. What are you eating there now? We're now back in Herman and we thought we'd just mention the price. To get in, it will cost you £10 each, or it's like £9.50 or something. Yeah, but that covers your parking, the museum, entry to the little village, the walks, the garden. Yeah, there's a video as well that you can watch.
So I thought it was quite expensive when I found out how much, and then I thought, well, there's a lot included, isn't there? So,
but you also get a free wristband. Look at that. Today is purple, I think, and that allows you in. It's a different colour each day, but if you keep the receipt, then it lasts for 7 days. So that £10 is for 7 days. So tomorrow we're going to go back and we're going to do one of the walks along the coast there. Hopefully it's going to be a nice day. Did you know that the rights to the TV show The Flintstones was sold to the Middle Eastern TV companies for Christmas showing? Jordan doesn't like it, but Abu Dhabi do. Abu Dhabi do.
how many times have you said that?
Abu Dhabi do. Abu Dhabi do. There you go. So, if your joke, and if you can squeeze it in for the last show for tomorrow, if your jokes, your Christmas cracker jokes, are as crap as that one, then send them in to us, and we'll play it.
Find the better one.
Yeah. We want to laugh at it for real reasons rather than tongue twisting punchlines. Anyway, send them in to us and we'll show them on the video. And until tomorrow, our very last day, take care. Brush your hair. We'll see you when we see you. Peace. Bye.